Want to import your email list into AWeber but don't want to mess anything up? Stick around because I'll walk you through it step by step, and at the end, I'll share a much better alternative if you want an easier, more flexible solution. First, log into AWeber and go to Subscribers and GT, Add Subscribers. You'll see the option to import multiple, click that. Now, here's where things can get tricky. AWeber requires you to format your list properly, meaning CSV files only and fields like first name, last name, and email must be in separate columns. If your file isn't formatted correctly, expect errors. Next thing, you'll need to map your fields. AWeber will try to detect what's what, but double check. If your custom fields aren't mapped correctly, your data won't import properly. Now, this part is important. AWeber asks you how you got these emails. If you select Purchase List or anything sketchy, your import will be rejected. Always select the most accurate option, ideally something like, "These subscribers opted in through my website," to avoid issues. Another step, *** double opt-in settings ***. AWeber defaults to requiring confirmation emails, which can be a huge issue if you're migrating an existing list. Imagine your entire list suddenly having to reconfirm. They won't, and you'll lose subscribers. If you want to keep your list intact, make sure to disable double opt-in where possible. The last thing, AWeber's approval process. Unlike some platforms that import instantly, AWeber manually reviews imports. This can take time, and in some cases, they may reject part of your list if they detect anything suspicious. So, while AWeber is a solid email marketing tool, it has limitations, especially with strict import rules and double opt-in requirements. If you want a more flexible and user-friendly email marketing solution that lets you import your list without unnecessary delays, I highly recommend checking out the free trial of the best alternative linked in the description. By using our link, you'll get exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Try it out and see the difference for yourself.